the reason that we started it was to try to get ecotourism started here in Brevard County. Well, that's worked really well because we have all kinds of birding tours and kayak tours and a lot of people that are doing a lot of really nice things in the outdoors. And so that's why we started it. And the one thing that we wanted to feature was the emphasis was on birding in our area, but also all of the technology and all of the fantastic work that was being done by so many scientists in our region. And so that's what we started out doing, was featuring the scientific work that people were doing and how it tied in with the birding world. We also this is a really special area of Florida. This area is surrounded by wildlife refuges and the St. Johns River on the west side of the county, which has a lot of land that's in public ownership. There's a lot of different properties in our area that are owned by different agencies. Some is by the Department of Environmental Protection, some is by Florida State Parks, some by National Wildlife Refuge or U.S. Fish and Wildlife. We have National Park Service. We have 2 national parks here. So there's a lot of places to go birding here. And also these are places that are permanent. They're not going to be covered up with houses like what's happening in a lot of other places here in the state. So we felt pretty good about having an event that could have longevity because we had so many places that are in public ownership here. And we have a lot of cool birds. Some of the cool things that we had the people that were doing the reintroduction of whooping cranes to the southeast. That was one of the first big projects that we had. And so we had the pilot for the ultralight that was flying an ultralight down with the whooping cranes coming from Wisconsin and bringing them to the state. They were trying to have a migratory flock and also a non-migratory flock. So we did a lot of work with the whooping crane people. And then, we've done a lot of other stuff. But